Despite the fact that women have their fair share of representation in the national and provincial assemblies, yet in some parts of the country, they are not even allowed to vote. To make matters worse, when it comes to allotting tickets for elections, several political parties choose to ignore their female politicians.
जब भी औरतों के हकूक़ की बात आती है, तमाम पार्टी हेड्स, तमाम पार्टी के अहम ओहदेदार मुत्तफ़िक होकर इन बातों को इग्नोर कर देते हैं कि औरत को वोट के हक़ से महरूम किया जा रहा है, औरत को कागज़ात नामज़दगी दाखिल करने की इजाज़त नहीं दी जा रही।
In the remote areas, there are several examples of jirgas preventing women from exercising their rights to vote. Some say that what is most surprising is the fact that in many of these meetings, politicians from leading political parties are also present and encourage the jirgas to prevent women from voting. The Election Commission has pledged to take stern action against those political parties who deprive women of their right to vote.
जो लोग जरगे के ज़रिए किसी तरीके से भी ख़वातीन को रोकें, उसमें अगर कोई पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज़ इन्वॉल्व है तो उस पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज़ के सिंबल को मनसूख किया जाए। किसी जगह पे ख़वातीन को इलेक्शन से बज़ोर बाजू ज़बरदस्ती रोका गया और वहाँ पे अगर 10% से कम ख़वातीन ने वोट पोल किए तो चीफ़ इलेक्शन कमिश्नर को ये इख्तियार हो कि उन इलेक्शन को मनसूख करार दे।
Parliamentarians believe that foolproof security measures must be provided for those women who are brave enough to stand for the election in this society.
ऐसा भी हुआ है माजी में कि जो औरतें खड़ी हुई हैं किसी इलेक्शन के लिए उनको कत्ल कर दिया गया।
Information which has been gathered by the Election Commission shows that women are only prevented from voting in certain areas. However, women who are members of the National and Provincial Assemblies say the situation is far worse. The destiny of focal status of women in national politics is yet to be actualized. Many women parliamentarians claim that they have never been part of the decision-making processes within their political parties, which is a question mark for all those who claim for women's rights. Nausheen Yusuf, Dawn News, Islamabad.